Okay, so let's understand what is AI. So AI means a computer that can think a little like humans. What is AI? AI means a computer that can think like humans. Okay, which can think little. Okay, little or look alike like humans. Okay, so this is an AI and it basically learns from the data, like millions of the data. Okay, it understand the text, it finds the pattern, millions of questions and the text from the Wikipedia, from the internet, from the everywhere. It takes a data and it understand, it find a pattern that the how the things, how the words related to each other. And then when you give the next question, then it predict the answer, which he learns from the all data. Okay, so it learns from the data, then it gives answer, write text, create images, solve problems. How it is able to solve the problems and writing text and creating image, because it understand, it finds the lots of pattern. Okay, because we have sent the about millions of images together, not together. Okay, slowly, because AI understand, if you are sending her about 15 images here, batch size is matters a lot. Okay, batch size matters a lot. So if you will send little image, then AI will understand more accurately. So here we have already sent millions of images, then we say to the AI that create this image, then it can easily create. Why? Because it knows already a lots of images, like we humans. Okay, so uh, here we have an example, like you ask write poem, AI writes poem. AI type weak. AI works for one job, like Google Map. This is Google Map is also an AI which works work for one job, like it can only tell you the map where to go. Okay, and strong AI does many jobs like chatbot, text summarizer. Okay, and next text predictor, personal assistant, agentic AI. I don't know, means there are so many things in the market, in the field, and also a PDF reader, like using RAG. And in the section 2 we have a what is a generative AI. So generative AI means that can create new things like text, images, videos, music, code, voice. Okay, and example we have a what you write a lion wearing glasses. So AI creates the images because it had already seen the images of the lion, and also the images of the uh, what images of the sunglasses. Okay, it has already seen the images of lion and glasses, so that's why it is able to create the images, a lion wearing a sunglasses. Okay, wearing a glasses. So AI creates the image. Section 3, what is LLM? LLM means a large language model. LLM like ChatGPT, Gemini. Okay, so what these are the examples of the LLM. A very big computer brain, a very big computer brain trained on trillions of words. A very big computer brain, a very big computer brain trained on trillions of words. It's a very big computer brain trained on millions of words. Example: ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, Gemini. What LLM can do? LLM can answer questions, write stories, solve problems, translate, explain concept. Okay. Also, it can create code for you. What is token? Token means small pieces of words. Okay, because LLM read text into tokens like hello, he plus low. So this is how actually LLM reads our text. And what is embedding? Embedding means meaning of text converted into numbers. What meaning of text converted into numbers? Computer does not understand words, it only understands what? It only understands words. Sorry, computer does not understand what? It only understands numbers. Okay, it only understands numbers. Okay, we have an example like you have an apple. Okay, then this it will be converted into the numbers and it will get the number 768 number. So if you are writing any text like create an image or anything you are writing, okay, when you are explaining any topic, when you are trying to get the best result, or you are writing text to, you are passing the text to the uh, LLMs, then it converts your words into numbers. Okay, so we have a transformer. Transformer means what? It's a structure inside LLM. It's a brain. Okay, it helps model understand meanings, relationship, attention. It only focus on the important words. Okay, attention focus on the important words. This is the reason LLMs are powerful. Why? Because it helps model understand meaning, relationship, attention. So what is attention? Attention means focuses on important words. Okay, like sentence we have Satyam ate mango because he likes fruit. So he who Satyam. So attention means helps understand who eats mango. Satyam. So this is how actually attention word inside the transformer works. Context window. Context window, how much text model can read at once? How much text model can read at once? So this is what? This is context window. A small model, if you have a small model, then it can read only 400 tokens. 400 tokens means 400 watts. Okay, and a large token, if you have a large model, then it can read 1 million tokens. Okay, and what is prompt engineering? Let's understand. Prompt means a way you talk to AI. We have a lots of type of prompt in engineering, like good prompt. Okay, so what is good prompt? If you are writing good prompt to and any application of generative AI, then it will provide you the best and accurate answer. So we have to know about it, that what is a good prompt. So types is what we have a zero shot. Okay, zero shot, no example. If you are if you sometime people use zero shot prompt engineering, like they only ask like what is this or what is this. So they didn't give any information, they didn't give any example, any external thing. So that's why sometime large models not able to give the accurate answer. So we have to also give the best example or something like related to that. We have to explain more, then it will give us more information. Okay, so we have a zero shot engineering, which is where we not give any example, and few shot where we give the input with example. Chain of thought means think step by step, and we have a react means think plus use tools, and instruction prompting means clear instruction. And the section 10 means what is RAG? RAG means retrieval augmented generation. What is this? It basically makes our AI to read the files and documents. Okay, which documents? Your documents. Okay, so AI reads your data first, then answer using the date using that data. Okay, why RAG? LLM does not know your private data. RAG helps AI use, okay, PDF file, document, web pages. What are the steps Break text into small chunks, send text to to embedding, which is numbers, store in vector database, search best chunks, give to AI answer. So these are the steps that happens in the process of process of RAG. And what is vector database? So vector database means we have a normal database like which stores text, and vector database means stores meaning. Okay, example: pinecone, chromadb, fast, we white. Okay, so we have a fine tuning means how much effort you are applying to make your model good. I think this is fine tuning. Let's see. Train the model again on your own data so model become expert. Yeah, like you have to get you have to tune our models. You have to provide the things which that model need, and then it can perform well. So train the model again on your own data so model becomes expert. Okay, and types: full fine tuning, which is expensive; LoRa, cheap and fast; and Clora, even cheaper; SFT provides the fine tuning. Okay, so these are the types. Sorry. What is agents? AI that thinks, plans, takes action, use tools like Google Calculator API. So this is what, this is agent. So I think when you are asking anything to the chat GPT, then we have a called agent inside the chat GPT which do everything. It uses external tools and provides you the answer. Okay, if he doesn't have that answer, then it takes the uh, another uh, another tool's help, then it provides the best answer. So it sometimes uses tools like Google Calculator API. It AI that things, plan, take action. Example, you say book flight. Okay, that agent open flight API and books. What is the tools section? 14 tools, function calling. AI calls a function instead of giving only text. AI calls a function instead of giving only text. AI calls a function instead of giving only text. Example: add 5 plus, add 5 plus 5 plus 7. AI does not guess. AI calls calculator tool. So ChatGPT doesn't have a tool like calculator. It uses external tools. Then it answer. AI calls a function instead of giving only text. User add 5 plus 7. AI does not guess. AI calls calculator tool. Memory: AI remembers think inside chat. AI remembers AI. Oh, AI remembers think inside chat. Memory is very important, you know. And what is the example? You said my name is Rahul, and then later AI remembers the name. Okay, so memory is very important, which makes AI more fast, more better. And what is a multi-modal AI? What is a multi-modal AI? AI that works with text, images, audio, video. AI that works with text, images, audio, video. Give image, AI explains. Okay. Give image, example. Give image, AI explains. Speak, AI replies. And what is the text to image? You write text, AI creates an image. We have examples of model stable diffusion. I think I have used this. No, I had didn't use this. I have used SDXL, and we have also dal.e. These are the models you can use and create text to image. You can use your thinking. You can create your thinking into an image. You can put all the thoughts into an image, which is very good. What is the process? Noise slowly becomes image. Okay, noise slowly become image, this is called diffusion. Noise slowly becomes image, this is called diffusion. Hugging face is a website with the about how much, 3 lakh 3 lakh models and dataset. Space means apps, transformers, library. What is optimization? Optimization means we have point 1 quantization, model is smaller. Pruning, remove useless part. Distillation, create a smaller student model. Catching, store past result. So this is optimization, quantization, model is smaller. Pruning removes useless part. Distillation creates a smaller student model. Catching, store past results. What is a safety? AI must be safe. No harmful answer. No toxic content. No fake information. No hallucinations. Okay. And what is a hallucination? AI gives a wrong answer but confidently. So we have to remove this word hallucination. Hallucination. Okay. So latest topic. More multiple expert models inside one model. System 2 reasoning, deep thinking model, long context, read big books at once, agentic workflows, AI chains of action, memory gaps, long term memory, projects. Okay, we have a project like RAG chatbot with your PDF, RAG chatbot with your PDF, text to image app. I have already built AI voice assistant, fine tuned LLM with LoRa, multinomial image question and answer app. And we have some important question here. What is LLM? A large model that reads billions of sentences and generate answer. A large model that reads billions of sentences and generate answers. What are embedding? Text meaning converted into number. Text meaning converted to numbers. Text meaning converted to numbers. What is RAG? AI reads your data first and answer. What is a Y vector database? AI stores meaning, not text. What is LoRa? Chief chief way to fine tune LLM. What is hallucination? Wrong answer generated by AI. And with the confident, what is attention? Model focuses on important words. What is a fine tune? Training model again on new data. Training model again on new data. Difference between RAG and fine tuning. RAG means attach external data, fine tune, changes model's brain. What is diffusion? AI removes noise step by step to create image. And but learn basics of LLM. We have to learn basic of LLM, prompt tokens, learn RAG, learn learn a vector database, build RAG app, learn fine tuning LoRa, build fine tuned model, learn a deployment Streamlit. I use Streamlit, build projects, make make a GitHub portfolio, and then give interview confidently. So this is our study today. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.